はい、今回もご視聴いただき誠にありがとうございます。ケンジです。でね、今日何やるかというと、番外編というか、パロディ編で、今ね、ママチャリのね、タイヤ交換と、パンク修理をね、全編英語でやってみようということでね、カメラ回してます。でね、拙い英語なので、出川イングリッシュになると思うんですけど、そこら辺はね、ご了承いただいて、楽しく見てもらえればなと思います。ではね、早速、現場に行って、パンクを修理したいと思います。では、よし。Okay. Why do I record my video? Because I'm really free in Golden Week's vacation. So, how am I gonna do it this week? And is it to do something funny? So, I noticed. Oh, my wife's bicycle is flat tire. So, let's start record and speaking English, all English. So now I'm recording now, and I'm gonna explain you all about how to fix a flat tire and changing both tires and tubes, right? So I'm gonna try do it. Let's get started. Yes. My hobby is riding road bike and maintenance, so I'm good at maintenance road bike that. But I've never seen and fix. I've never seen fix city bikers. So it's first time for me to fix that. But I'm really interested and so excited because the bicycle. Is gonna good condition after fixing that. Yes. Hey honey, don't worry. Yeah, you don't feel painly, okay? Yes, I'm gonna try your flat tire and the maintenance. Right? Okay. Come on. So I'm gonna start to fix flat tire first time. So now. I need change the position up and down. Right. Oh shit. And I need if you change the position, so you need to clamp front fork and rear frames. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's so heavy. Whew. And now. So next time, I need unhold both cap, right? So if you want to unhold both plastic caps, so you need to use some pinches or unclamp tools, right? So it's easy to unhold it. But it's difficult to unhold our hands, okay? So next time you can see the both bolts, so you need to unclamp that to fix flat tire. So it's really so hard. You should empower. Oh, どうなってんの？勝った取れねえ。If you cannot unhold this bolt, you should use the big tools, right? Oh yeah. So now I have an idea. I have one idea. So it's not funny to do just to do. So if I speak Japanese in while fixing that, so I'll pay for her 100 Japanese yen. Okay. I want to tell you guys, if you want to fix that, so you need to wear gloves, okay? Washer. So there is a washer in the front fork nearby the front fork. You don't forget to set up when you fix that, okay? Okay, I can get that. I can get it. The next time, I should unhold the flat tire, okay? And set on next new tubes and tire, right? Okay. わかってこれなんだ。あとは。Okay. It's gonna remove soon, yeah. It's so warm today. Yeah. I wanna go home early. I don't wanna fix that. Oh? What happened? Wow. Wow. It's really dirty. Wow. Oh, it must be flat tire. Yeah, I understood. Yes. So, if you have a free time a lot, and you have some to remove rim tape. So you need to change it. Okay. So if you don't change the rim tape, so you are gonna get flat tire easily. The rim tape is really cheaper than our road bike rim tips. Wow, I'm really worried. I can't explain about how to fixing now details, so I'm gonna speak Japanese from now, okay? でね、このタイヤ入れたらこのようにタイヤ噛まないようにチューブ入れてちゃんとホイールに沿って入ってるかっていうのを確認します。こういうふうにね、このホイールの溝あるじゃないですか。これにね、こうチューブを乗せる感じですね。でね、ローテーションってちゃんと書いてるんで、このローテーションに沿ったポイントではめるようにしてください。So, if you feel so hard inside the tire and the tube, so you should use the tire lever again, okay? Oh, it's dangerous. It's gonna flat tire me. And oh shit! つった。You should take it. Yes, it's finished. Could you take the tires? Thanks. What? It doesn't flat tire. Okay, so I fixed that. I finished fixing that. Yes. So now, so next time, I'm gonna try to change the rear tire, but I'm not confident to explain in English, so I might stop recording. Okay, I'm sorry, man. So, 일단 I'm gonna stop record. Okay, thanks so much. So now I'm gonna try to fix the rear tire, but I think it's really difficult for me to remove that too, because there are many tools, rear tire parts to remove it. Yeah. I forgot to explain you guys. So I could remove stand and 荷台 and drawer, okay? So next time you need to remove a brake system, right? I got it. So now we can change the rear tire, same as the front tire, like, okay. Good. うわ、腐ってる。ほら。これ自転車大変だな。パンク修理1500円とか割り合わんぞ、これ、本当に。すげえな、自転車よ。こんなの毎日やんの？ロードバイクだけでいいわ。いや、思いつきで。買った。英語やってみたけど、結構難しいね。It's a really good tire. I saw the tube and the tire was cheap a little bit, but it's good. It's easy to set on rather than road bike tires. 柔らかい。It's really soft. こんな適当な英語を使ってたカナ先生おられるんだ。なんじゃいその英語みたいな。お、I got a lucky. I speak English. It's lucky is English sentence. Okay, come on. Come on. Yes, you should put air in for 4.5 bars, right? Come on. Push, 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 push. Come on. Hiriki. Okay. I've finished. Okay, I'm finished. So I just set on rear tire with bicycle frames. Okay. Yes. Yeah, finally, it's gonna finish soon. Yeah, I can go home. What time is it? Oh man, I spent for 2 hours. What? Yes. Oh my god! What the f***? I forgot to set the stand. Oh, it's really important items.やりたくねえ。なんでやねん。お、バッチリね。いいんじゃね？これで。よし。危ね。よし。よし、OK. And finally, I'm finished fixing that. Yeah, I'm really tired, but I feel better. Yeah, so my wife might be really happy and excited. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna check it. If it's finished and good. Oh, whew. It's good. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yes, okay, I'm gonna finish that and record it. Thank you so much and thank you for listening and watching my YouTube video. Yes, I really appreciate it, you guys. Thank you so much. That'll be all. Thanks. はい、いかがでしたでしょうか。序盤からね、ちょっとグダグダでね、大変でしたけど、まあ特にね、でももうママチャリのね、メンテナンスはしたくないですね。もう、部品の数がね、ロードバイクと違ってもういっぱいあって、まあやっぱ英語では説明しきれなかったんで、まあ、日本語使っちゃいました。まあでもね、まあ、休みなんで、どうせ楽しくできればなと思って作った動画なんで、まあこれで、見てくれた方が面白いなと思っていただけたら、ありがたいです。でね、ということで、今回のサプライズイベント終了したいと思います。ありがとうございました。Thank you so much.